Alright.
Say Happy Easter, Lauren. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, great-grandmother.
Great-grandmother and great-grandmother and grandmother. Granddad. Yeah, look at the camera. Let's walk around a second.
Yeah, I'll follow you guys.
Look around the bright sunshine. Isn't it great? Say look, Mommy.
Say hello.
It's so bright. So
Is it too
warm.
bright?
Let's walk over here.
Oh no, is that a sandbox?
Yeah. Alright, how about this?
This is perfect. Say hi, Rocky. Happy Easter. What?
Over here.
Oh.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy.
Hey, babies.
Look at the other side.
Hi, that's beautiful.
Hey, hey.
You guys look gorgeous.